Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds crashing. So this will be a quick method. Open up your task manager and you want to make sure that Monster Hunter Wilds is opened. Then go to details and find Monster Hunter Wilds exe file. Once you will find that exe file, you want to go ahead and right click on it. Then choose set affinity and you want to uncheck these CPU 0 and CPU 1. Then click OK. Another thing, open up Edit Power Plan. Here it is. After that, click Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, scroll down until you see Processor Power Management. Click this plus sign. Choose Maximum Processor State, and you want to go ahead and choose 99%. Make it to 99%. Instead of 100, click Apply and OK. And the last thing, in-game settings should be graphic settings should be set to low or medium, and the frame generation should be disabled. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.